Hey guys, good morning. Dave Santarelli from Santarelli Trading Exchange, BreakingChartAlerts.com, Stock Options Trading Academy. We're getting a nice pop in the markets here. I'm going to be watching for the first 10 minutes. We got some nice new highs here on Facebook, 225. We got some Facebook. We got Hilton yesterday. Let me pull up the account here. I just got in the office. Wasn't feeling that good this morning. Let's see, accounts.
DB, Deutsche Bank CFO says we aren't planning any capital raise.
We're up $4,700 today, even with our $2,200 hit from SPY. Come here, E. Look at this. So here is our P&L today, right? 4,300. We have a 2,200 hit on that. Look at Disney. Disney's back in the green. Disney's back in the green.
It was about 6K. But
you know what? I think I want to start taking profits. I'm almost at highs again on this account. Facebook trade is up. Wow. Look, did you see our Qualcomm trade?
No. What is that?
Alrighty, guys. I'm going to start taking. Our Qualcomm trade's up. Let me put the percentages on here.
Let's get to business. Let's lock those in. 6K day, baby.
Can you guys hear me? I don't need the current trades in the morning. That's just wasting paper. Newsletter's good.
Walmart got up price raise.
Cost basis, remove. Change sentence close, remove. Quantity, symbol. Average price paid. And the percent unrealized and percent today. There we go. Why is it only show? Good morning, Red Lotus. Good morning, Sergi. Wow. Huge profits here today. So let's see. First things first, our Qualcomm trade is up 81% now today. I need to take some profits on Qualcomm here. Let's see, what's that Qualcomm trade? May 29th. Let's take a look at Qualcomm quick. All right, I'm going to take profits on Qualcomm, sell to close. 2.15. Let's see if we could close at 2.15. Nope, that order, let's see, order status. Order status is live on Qualcomm.
Media files for an IPO of $8 million of shares. That's currently an OTC listing.
See if I could get filled at 2.10.
Has applied to list on NASDAQ Capital Market.
Wow, now up 6,000 for the day here.
AMDA currently trading
with the 2,000 hit from the SPY puts there we had as a hedge. Let's see, this is still live. I want to get out of these trades. Like I said, I'm near highs. There we go. That just completed. Let me see. Completed 2.10. She's taking off again still. Let's see. Profit and loss unrealized. Hilton trade's already up nicely. Let's see. What else do we got? Twitter. Our Twitter overall is up 15% for the trade challenge. It's not much, 15%, but that's the June 19th expo, so we're going to continue to hold on to that. We just sold our Qualcomm. Nice profits on Qualcomm. Let's see here. What else are we looking at? I'm looking at the account. I'm not looking at those charts because I definitely want to lock in some nice profits here. While our Facebook trade's up $2,000 today. Let's take a look at Facebook. Remember I told you guys 225? She's at 225.57 now, almost at 226. There's no question in my mind she's going to 230. No question in my mind, 230. All right, so what I'm going to do now, I already got a $2,100 profit on Facebook. So I'm going to lock in some profits, and then I'm going to make another new trade on Facebook.
LOW, Lowe's says US comp sales increased 20.4% in April. That's on their conference call. That's Lima Oscar Whiskey. Lowe's.
How many contracts do I have? Facebook 5. Hello? Oh, great. Thank you. All right, bye-bye. Our Starbucks is here.
Oh, you got some?
Oh, yeah, I got some for us.
Let me send out this one. And you did it on Facebook.
Lowe's says for May, month-to-date, US comp sales have been trending at or above April results. That's LOW, Lowe's companies.
I'm out of Facebook at 8.20. 8.20 on Facebook. And let's see here. Square. Wow. Square May 29th. I think I'm going to sell Square May 29th. She's still breaking out there, but I'm going to make another trade on Square a little bit later. We are up nicely on our Square trade. What did I pay for those? 4.12. And we'll put it in. I'm going to put it in a limit order on Square for 4.65.
Moving now $3.86. Semi uniform Romeo Foxtrot.
Our Twitter trade challenge trade now up 24%.
473, now up 45% at $3.88 SQRF.
Yeah, 49% gain on Facebook. And we're going to make another trade on Facebook soon.
Funware shares resumed trading.
USO is still running here as well. Take a look at USO.
PHUN.
Wow, USO's at $25 now.
Shares up 109% at the high on Funware, PHUN.
PHUN.
On a circuit breaker, PHUN.
Wow, this account is soaring today. Soaring. Let's see, our Hilton trade's up 20%. Do we want to lock in those profits? That was an official trade, right?
Yes, it was. Late.
Oh, man, we can't. I got to add more to. We have the July 17th, 75 strike call on
That
Hilton.
trade is literally about 15 minutes old right now.
What is?
The life of that Hilton trade. Because we got it late afternoon at 350.
Oh, yeah.
1.5% for an
She's breakout momentum. I mean, she's going to 82.50 Hilton. So I'm thinking about it now. I got 5 contracts. I only got about $4,000 in the trade on Hilton right now. I think I can add another $6,000, make that a $10,000 trade. I love that Hilton chart here. Take a look at Hilton. I mean, she looks like she's ready to rock it. You know, possibly back up to $90 a share. So,
Okay.
thank you, MMY. How you doing on those trades, MMY? Kevin Dude, good morning. Andrew Richardson, Javon Howard, Sergey Petrenko, Jerry Stafford, Red Lotus. Good morning, guys. It's frozen for me over here on YouTube Studio. It's only showing 3 viewers. Is it showing the same for you?
ATOS, Alpha Tango Oscar Sandy, Atosa. Shares resumed trading now. 263 now on ATOS. Alpha Tango Oscar.
That Twitter trade's just looking phenomenal. Let's take a look. Twitter, 3104 on Twitter, up almost 4%.
You know when that Square trade gets crazy, right?
Oh, I'll let you know, all right.
Employees speak out on sensational claims of COVID-19 cure. That from
Visa's looking ready for a big breakout again. Visa's up 2%. There goes Visa off the 10. I think I want to go with Visa for next week's expo. I really do. I think Visa's going to continue to run higher here. Our LVS trade is looking great. That's for the June Expo, right? LVS trade's looking phenomenal. Everyone should be doing incredible with our trades here today. How are you guys doing with the trades? Let me know. We got to get that coffee too.
Therapeutics off the lows now, 473 down 13%. Again, that short report.
Let's see. Andrew Richardson says thoughts on Coca-Cola KO.
Therapeutics.
Coca-Cola's looking good there. Looking good for a swing up to $50. I'd be getting something like the July Expo on that if you wanted to trade on that. Square. Let's see what else. Thoughts on Spot says MD Fin. SPOT. Spot's up another $6, up 4%. That looks like that's going to continue to break out. I could see Spot getting up to $200 again.
14%.
Had that big rally yesterday after they made that announcement with Joe Rogan. Now she looks like she's going to sort of that next resistance, which is going to be about 200.
Charlie Lima. Shares volatile today, $1.19, following their report earlier. Now have $1.49, halted now on a circuit breaker. Charlie Lima.
Disney
Disney had such a big pop today, and that's still looking great there.
Disney Springs opens up tonight.
Today, right? Or this morning.
Today? Yeah, this morning.
So that's going to be a nice trade going into tomorrow after they show Disney opening and all the people. I'm sure there's going to be a lot of people there. That's where we should go on our lunch break. I'll take you to the seafood place at Disney Springs.
Which one's that one?
They have these scallops that are about the size of your fist. Oh my God.
Wow.
They're amazing.
I love scallops. I like
It's an Irish restaurant. I know Davy Devlin would love it. Raglan Roads, it's called. Raglan Road. I'm telling you, Virginia, every time we go to Disney Springs, she has to get that. Guys, Visa's still breaking out here. I think I'm going to make a Visa trade here going into another expo. Square Trade's taking off again.
Wow, Dave G just locked in $9,225,000.
Who did?
David Gomes on Facebook.
Oh, is that Dave G? Is that Dave Gomez? It's got to be Dave Gomez. Wow, Facebook almost at 227 now.
Look at PayPal too. Is Doc here? Doc, I know you got into a PayPal trade.
PHUN, Funware resumes again. Papa Hotel
Wow, look at these profits just continuing to climb. I'm just watching the account here, watching all the profits coming in. It's beautiful.
You still in your spot?
SPY, yeah, and that, how much is left? 1,600. I'll get out of that. Sell to close. We'll sell that at $1.60. At $1.58. Oh, she's dropping here.
BISL, low price stock spiking here. Victor India Sandy Lima. PHUN, Funware.
All right, I'm out of my SPY puts. That was our hedge at 1.60. Nice. Order status.
152% on PHUN, Funware.
It was filled at 1.60 executed. There's another successful execution there.
With HPE on mobile healthcare.
Wow, I can't believe how much we're up today. Unbelievable. You see Twitter taking off again here, guys? Take a look at Twitter. I'm up 25% on our new on our Twitter trade challenge trade. I gotta log into the trade challenge account and see what that's at. I haven't looked at that in a while. This looks like it's gonna rocket. This could get back up to 35 by our expo. And just think about that. If that gets up to 35 by our expo date, we're gonna have 150, 200% gain on our trade challenge trade. Twitter. So that would be a huge help.
Yep.
And we're watching USO continue to climb, Visa's going to break out here. I got to get into Visa. If I'm looking at Visa here, the 3-month daily, let's take a look at Visa. Take a look at the 3-month daily. I think we're going to easily get up to that $200 here. I got to jump in. I have to jump in. Visa looks great. I'm going to make a trade on it. Let's see, option chain. We'll go to Visa. I'm going to look at the June 19th. I should go with the May 29th, but I'll go with the June 19th. The 195, really cheap. June 19th, 195 strike call. That's going for about 580. I'll pick up 10 contracts. And I am in it. Just made another Visa. This is what, like our 6th or 7th Visa trade?
What's the trade?
We got into the Visa June 19th, 2020, 195 strike call, and we paid 577. There goes Visa taking off. Already up $100 on it.
Target.
Our target on Visa, as I've been saying, first target 200, second target's going to be 210. So between 200 and 210, that's where we're going to take profits. There goes Square in the background taking off. Already up. Stop on that is going to be, let's say, 187. Wow, look at this. Our Square trades in the greens.
OPEC
Twitter's
Secretary
continuing.
General says there is gradual and steady convergence of all supply and demand fundamentals.
Nice climb on Visa here.
Says
Already
the
up
market has responded
$85
positively
on
to OPEC
Visa.
Plus cut and its robust implementation.
Our Twitter trade's up 23%. Square's up 5% overall. Hilton trade's up 15%. Our Disney trade's just at about break even. Bank of America. Excuse me. Bank of America trade's in the green. Remember how much that was down yesterday? Look at Bank of America breakout. $22.92 a share, continuing breakout momentum. We take a look at the 3-month daily. Remember, there was someone that yesterday that said, it's still holding between the SMA, still holding that 10 and 50 SMA. She's breaking out now. Nice profits on our Bank of America trade. Square, Twitter, Hilton, Bank of America. Got nice profits here today. That Boeing was worthless. I lost $3,200 on Boeing. See here, Twitter. Oh, we still got to get our coffee.
Yeah, no, I'm saying.
Oh, I'll go get it.
CODX, Charlie Oscar Delta X-ray report circulating from the Gazette. It says investors bail on the company behind Test Iowa's COVID-19 tests. That's CODX, Charlie Oscar Delta X-ray.
Those assholes didn't give a straw.
Oh, really? Okay.
Tests are provided by a
believe
company
that?
called Code Diagnostics. Code Diagnostics contracting with no
Unbelievable.
health tech startup with no healthcare
How the hell did you
experience.
drink a coffee without a straw?
With Iowa's
Do we have any?
Yeah, of course.
Oh, nice.
That's CODX
Thank you.
that report from the Gazette.
All right, let's see. What a day. I still can't believe we're up over 6,000, almost 7,000 now today.
Nice. Lock it in,
Shares of Code Diagnostics now dropping here. Hit a high of 24 earlier on that upgrade at maximum.
Good job, Eddie.
Price target now dropping here on that negative report circulating. CODX.
Twitter's trade's almost up 30% now. Wow, look at that continuing to break out. Twitter's up almost 5% today. We're up 27% on Twitter. There goes Visa. Square's not doing too much here. I'm up $1,600 on Twitter today. I'm telling you, we get another nice day tomorrow. I'm going to be at new all-time highs again.
$1.92. Papa Hotel uniform November. And
Yeah, Square's struggling a little bit there.
again on a circuit breaker at the high.
But she's still up 4% there, Vinny. You know, that's a big pop there on Square. She's at $82. Take a look at Square. I mean, she's almost at our target. I think I may increase our target on Square to 87, to be honest with you. I am just watching the account continue to climb here. Our Twitter trade's now up 30%.
RBL, Rumble shares halted on a circuit breaker at $10.33.
Dave Gallo said 70% on Facebook. Oh, that's Dave Gallo, not Dave Gomez. Dave Gallo, $9,225. Mahalo, Dave.
1-for-20 reverse stock split and halted now at the highs, $10.33 RMB.
He's in Visa with us. There goes Twitter again. Wow, look at that breakout. Visa's breaking higher here as well. I'm up $200 on our Visa trade already. Oh, that's beautiful. I'm in a $6,000 trade on it, though, you know. Hilton. Man, I want to put another 10,000 in Hilton. I really do.
LK Luckin Coffee seeing a sweep in the July 1.
I don't think it's rolling over there, Tyler.
LK Luckin Coffee.
Oh, we will do a day trade, Eddie. It's still early. We just made a trade on Visa. You in the Visa trade? Up $300 on Visa now.
CCCL, Charlie Lima. Shares open again, $1.17.
Twitter trades up 33%.
33.
She's taking off. Look at Twitter. I mean, she's in breakout momentum. Here's Twitter. We're in a Twitter. This is our trade challenge trade, guys. This is one of them right here on Twitter.
Wow.
5.5% pop on Twitter. We got in that perfectly, didn't we? We remember we averaged down yesterday? There goes Visa. Big pop on Visa. Wow. If things go like this, we may see new account highs today. If I make a few more trades here.
Today was looking great.
I'm about $3,000 now off of all-time highs.
So, deaths in Florida, 33.
33 deaths?
Yeah.
Oh, that's nothing.
Slowed. Completely
That's
slowed.
huge.
Now, overall cases is about to peak, about to get over 5 million worldwide.
Oh, I don't care about that. I
But
care about what's
slow.
happening here.
Seeing the U.S. was,
That's perfect, especially for the holiday coming up. The beaches are going to be packed.
I think, 500
You know,
cases.
I'm up 500 now on the Visa trade, 7%, 8% on Visa. You sent out the Visa trade alert? 8% gain already. What a beauty. I want to see Disney continuing to run. Disney, we have July Expo, so I'm really not worried about Disney whatsoever. I'm up $8,000 today. Square's taking off again. Did you see Square? That one moves so quick. So my biggest trades right now, my biggest trade right now is Visa. I got about 6,200 in Visa. I'm up 500 on that from the trade we just made. And let me show you guys, because most people, here's what we didn't realize yet. So this is what we did not realize yet. And you see, every single trade is in the green today. Every single trade.
Now, Romeo Michael Bravo Lima. 1194 the high. Looks like
LVS is almost in the green here as well.
Now halted again.
But you guys could see, here's what we're looking at here. We're up $5,754.84. That's unrealized, and then plus what we've realized today as well. So account's still continuing to climb here, up 6,000 almost today. Unrealized. There goes the market again, popping off that 10. There goes Visa. Visa trades now up $700 for the day. What a breakout there. Look at Visa go. Now up 6,000 unrealized for the day. Look at Visa breaking resistance here. There goes Visa. Let's see that continue to break out. Do we want to go on Zoom for the trade room members right now? Do you guys want to go on Zoom now? Let me know. Facebook high of the day. Wow, 227 almost. I gotta jump in Facebook. She's gonna be going to she's gonna be heading to something else just sold now. What just sold?
Square?
Oh, Square just
What?
executed. Square was just shit. I should have. Square sold at.
Shares popping to the highs.
Wait, no, I don't see Square.
3% now. Alpha Lima Tango.
It had to be Square.
You had a spy, right?
Order status.
On volume. ALT.
Oh, here it is. Square. Yep, here it is right here. Square completed 465.
465.
Wow, our Visa trade's up 11% already.
Wow.
Yeah! Woo!
Google Ads defense.
Up almost $10,000 now for the day. I made a couple larger trades here on this momentum. I made a $6,300 trade on Visa. I made a $5,000 trade on Twitter. I made a $4,000 trade on Hilton. You know, I have a $3,000 trade on Disney. And how much is this one? A $5,000 trade on Carnival Cruise Line for October. So, you know, all those have been doing incredibly well here.
Confidence minus 18.8 in May. From revised minus 22.
Tyler C, do you see that trade room? Look at this, guys. Unbelievable. Tyler C says, hell yeah, Dave. I recovered my account.
In a week.
No, do you see how important that is, though, by following the trade plan? Guys, this is really important. I was telling you guys. Oh, they will, Tyler. I'm telling you. I've been doing this a long time. But you guys see, what's important here, first off, is looking at that daily chart. When you saw Twitter here coming down to that 20 and successfully bouncing right here on the 15th, that's when we were talking about adding to it. We added to our position yesterday. We got a big breakout on Twitter, down 5% today. I mean, we have massive profits on our trades. You know, and that's all from following our trade plan. Now, what I could do is I could go in and I could, let's see here.
PHUN, Funware. Resumed.
There goes Visa again off that 10.
High of 233.
Look at Visa off that 10 there. Unbelievable.
Shares up 260% at the high on Funware. THUN.
What are we looking at for Visa? I think we could see Visa at 194.50 today. So that's what I'm looking for with Visa. Twitter's still running. What's Square doing? Am I going to be pissed I sold Square?
President Trump.
She's ready to break out again. 3-month daily chart on Square. That looks like that's going to have a big climb to 90. I'm going to get a short-term trade on Square again. And guys, you see what I'm doing. You guys watch me every day. I'm taking part of our profits and I'm making a new trade with the profits.
Follow up to an earlier tweet, that Sunday's earlier tweet now being reported by the media in Las Vegas.
Okay, I just entered another trade on Square. I entered into the May 29th 85 strike call at $2. And what did I get executed at? Let's see. 210 I got filled at. 2.10. Target's going to be 90 bucks.
Stop.
Our stop's going to be, let's say 77.50. 78. I already got a nice profit. Square, I just made 50 bucks. I just made the damn trade, you know. We're in breakout momentum. This is when you got to take advantage. There goes Twitter. New highs of the day on Twitter. Our Twitter trade challenge trade's now up 40%. 40% gain.
Wow,
Yep.
7% in the last, since you said
Yep. She's continuing to make highs here. Nice breakout. Loving what I'm seeing. Bank of America's climbing here again as well. Take a look at BAC. Bank of America above the 1020. See that start to run. Tyler C says he's back in some good profits now. I'm glad members could finally see why we say the patience and discipline with this trade plan is so important. You see how we came back down to those SMAs? A lot of people were very worried. I said, guys, this is when we should be adding to our trades. You remember that? I said, guys, this is when you're fearful because you just had a big pullback here. But this is the time I like to add to our trades when we get that successful bounce off the SMAs and continue that breakout momentum cycle. Francic out of Q's for a day trade, 20%. Nice job there, Francic. Steve said he's not getting any text alerts on any trades today.
Yeah, I'm getting it.
Yeah, Steve, they're going out. Everyone's getting them.
Yeah.
Check your phone, Steve. There goes Bank of America climbing. Medj Live said he did a Moderna trade for a 30% gain. Nice job there, Medj.
Moderna got their price raised to 90.
Yeah, they've been getting a lot of their prices increase there. mRNA. I mean, that was just at $60 last night after hours. Shit, look at what Moderna did, though. Moderna's getting a successful bounce off that 10-day simple moving average on a 3-month daily. So you might see that have a big pop off that 10 SMA there like it's been doing. Look at this. So it's been using that 10, guys. You see Moderna, right? She literally just came down to that 10. Now would be a perfect time to enter Moderna here for a swing trade for maybe the June monthly expo and look at that, 85 to 90 target area. That's a nice setup right there on Moderna. Bank of America trades almost in the green again. We have the May 29th Expo on Bank of America. I think we could see Bank of America easily at 24 bucks. Which that'd be a big climb. Bank of America, we have the, let's see, what do we have? We have the 23 strike call that we ended up paying 64 cents for. That's such a small trade though, only a $1,500 trade. Should just get rid of it. Moderna, look at Moderna go, guys. You know, that's looking good. If you guys want a swing trade on Moderna, I'd give you my blessings on that.
Trade idea?
Yeah, they could do a trade idea on that, absolutely.
What you got?
Let's see, option chain here. I would look at Moderna. I would do the Moderna. May 29th. They're expensive, but I would do the 70 strike. You got some open interest, good volume there. 70 strike is going for $5.95 a contract. Moderna's breaking out big now, though. There she goes.
Is that what you'll do? The 70 strike?
Yeah.
$5.95?
Yep. That's what I would.
22nd?
What's
May
that?
29th?
May 29th. Yep.
What's your targets on those?
Target on that would be, you asked me that before, 80 to 85. I think we could hit that highs again.
Stop.
Stop is going to be first candle below that 10, 65.
OPK, optional
Trade
health.
idea. There we go, baby.
Oscar Papa
Trade
Kilo,
idea
January
on Moderna. It's coming out for you guys. I'm not making that trade, but it's a nice setup there. Oh, look at her go. She's almost at highs today. She's almost green for the day now. She might get a big breakout. I should jump into some Moderna. What do you think? Should I do a day trade?
You like it. You called it.
No, I didn't call it. Medji did. Medj Live. Let's see. Karen says, Dave, I have the 522 Expo for Apple down 24%. Sure, let me make this Moderna trade here quick. 71 strike. I'm just going to do a little thing here to test it out. 71 strike.
You're doing a 71 strike?
Well, for the May 22nd Expo. Yeah, this I'm just doing something small. You don't
That's
have to.
yours. Okay, that's yours.
Yeah, this is mine here. This is risky. I'll just get 5 contracts. Wow, our new square trade's already up 5%. Do I want Moderna? She's ripping. Let's see. I don't know if I'm going to make that Moderna trade. I should.
CCCL halted again at the highs. China Ceramics up 125% now, CCCL.
I got in that Moderna 5 contracts, small trade. I don't want that cent though. That's very high risk. I got the May 22nd 71 strike, as you see right here. I got filled for 330. I think she could possibly get up to 73 today if she continues that momentum. Already up $100 on it. Let's see, what else do we got going on? Twitter pulled back a little, only up 28% on that. Square is continuing to pop there. Take a look at Square. Square is running. That's going to hit $90. Maybe even this week. Guess what's having a big run today?
3M?
Yep. Oh. Nice run, up another 2%.
Full steam ahead.
She's going to 155 to 160 by next week, I'm telling you. And we have the June Expo on 3M. Now, what are you guys going to say when that 3M trade comes back from the dead there and starts making us a profit? Unbelievable.
Coming up at 10:30, crude and gasoline inventories. Crude inventories. A build of 1.51 million. Distillates a build of
3M looks like that's a nice trade to add to, in my opinion. Our damn Square trade's already up freaking... Oh, wait, no, Square just pulled back a little bit. Let me see. I got so many positions here. Which one is that? The mRNA trade, up 10% already. Oh, man, I don't know if I'm getting a head cold or what it is, but since yesterday...
Funware halted again multiple times now. 285 the high, up 325%. THUN Funware shares halted.
There goes Square again.
That collaboration with Hewlett Packard Enterprise earlier.
Wow. Square's using that 20 as support.
DSGM ViralClear closes $10.8 million equity financing for development of COVID-19 broad spectrum oral antiviral candidate.
Paula says work may be ready to run.
That's Bravo Sandy Golf Michael.
That looks nice, Paula. That could easily see 32. Nice setup there, Paula. You jumping in that one? Bank of America trades in the green. We're up 3% green on Bank of America now. Unbelievable. Remember how many people... Paula, do you remember how many people were worried about some of these trades yesterday? Especially Bank of America and Square. Those were the two biggest worries yesterday and the day before. Square, Bank of America. Now we're in the green. We closed out profits on Square. Again, more profits on Square. Now we'll be entering into our fourth trade on Square here that we got. I'm not looking at Amazon right now. Amazon, let's see, I could look at it for you quick here, but not interested in trading it. No, Doji, not doing much. Really pretty flat for the day here between 24.90, 24.75. That's 15 points. That's not too much there, and it's been flat for most of that here, so nothing yet. If it fails at that 20 and it breaks below 24.75, you could look at some puts as a day trade option. Now, what do we want to do with Bank of America? I still think that's going to run another % today.
Lock in. Let's find a new opportunity.
I don't like that.
JP Morgan got price range.
You're still in JPM, right? You made a trade on it?
Last week. They closed.
Oh.
I know. I was looking at it. I was like, oh, my.
That sucks.
Banks are getting upgraded. That's the first of one.
CCCL, China Ceramics, getting another pop here. Charlie Lima, $1.77. Shares pulling back down on CCCL after hitting that high, up 122% CCCL.
Yeah, work looks nice there, Brian and Paula. Not too bad. Walmart's finally getting that 1020 cross on a daily chart there.
Walmart got their price range. Price started raised to 139.
Yesterday it was what, 145?
124.
No, yesterday what did they get upgraded to?
Oh, 145. Yes.
Yeah. Let's see, Hilton. Visa's finally getting a bounce off the 50, guys. Take a look at Visa. Look at Visa here, bouncing off the 50 SMA, starting to climb. Watch for a candle above that blue 20 SMA here. Candle above that blue 20. You could be looking for a nice, quick, easy day trade.
One we're hitting a high now of $3.
We're hitting a lot.
Papa
We're hitting
Hotel
a lot of
uniform
funware.
November.
Yeah.
The highs now at
PHUN.
on PHUN.
I don't know what the hell it is. Wow.
Shares halted again. Now
It's
at
up 320. This is one that's...
$3 on funware.
Dude, there's something going on with this. We should get into it.
PHUN.
I don't know what's going on, but... What's the news on it?
Holy smokes.
Walmart, a modern retail winner. Wall Street bullish on Walmart following big Q1.
Funware shares are trading higher after the company announced it has partnered with HP for a mobile healthcare solution.
Wow.
Hewlett Packard.
Really? How much is the deal worth? Does it say?
No, it doesn't say. I don't see any
No.
prices yet.
Wow, look at LVS go, guys. Our LVS trade's now in the green. I closed Hilton at 7.12. I'm going to re-enter that. It's been pulling back, retracing here. Might get a pullback tomorrow. I'll re-enter Hilton on a successful climb tomorrow. Locked in a quick 10% gain on that.
U.S. issues fresh round of sanctions on Iran.
Do you guys like it when we, and not you, do you guys like when we do these rapid fire trades where we're, holding them for a couple hours or a couple of days? Or do you like our normal routine here?
Why did you say that, me?
Because yesterday you're like, Dave, come on, make more trades. They love the day trades. Make more, make more. I'm like, I'm not a freaking money machine,
You know my answer.
Yeah.
No, but you're really, really good at these short-term trading.
I'm following the trade plan. I've been
Wow.
using the trade plan for 10 years,
That realized gains are...
Look at Visa running there. Big run on Visa. Make sure P. Diddy sends out that text and app alert. Text and app,
Oh, yeah.
most important
Oh,
things.
yeah, I'm confirming on every single one.
Karen and Brian said, yep. Bob Logan, Dave Gallo, Mike Finnegan, they all love these. I could do these. Now that I got help here for someone to, put out the trade alerts, we could be making a bunch of 10 to 20% trades intraday, Quick 10% here, 10% there throughout the day. You throw $1,000 on a trade, it's $100. Not much.
New York
But
Fed says
for you
first
guys, that's
request
probably pretty good.
For TALF program loans will be taken June 17th with closings on June 25th.
I should make another service for that Zoom for the day trades. Definitely. No lag at all. I'm the best at making these trades. You know that.
Novio,
There's a 10-20 cross coming up on Visa.
out
Daily
on
at Visa
Novio,
today, 1 minute.
dropping here 15.20.
10-20 cross on Visa. 194.10, gonna be resistance. Visa trades up $400.
And part 2 on Novio for Citron, India November Oscar.
That Hilton, like I said, the reason why I sold that Hilton, it was still pulling back, and I figured, you know what, I could take advantage of that tomorrow or Thursday. And enter back into that and do a shorter term expo. Uh-oh, someone said USO is popping. I don't know
25 yet?
where's my USO trade. USO is at 25.32. It was just above 25.50. Now take a look at that 3-month daily chart there, Ragu. How do you like oil now?
Where is Raku?
I don't know.
See here, I haven't seen him.
I love oil. I still think that's going to continue to climb there. It's looking good. Going to be looking at $30. I should be adding to oil, to be honest with you. But a lot of the members spooked me so much about oil. They're like, Dave, why are you getting into oil? I'm like, it's at the lows here, The demand's picking up with the economy opening up. Everything. I had no doubt whatsoever. Mike got in a little early there, but, now's the time. Should be averaging down and looking at that support here from the candle right here at 421. If we could break above that 421 candle highs, we're going to be looking at $30.
Donald Trump tweeting now that country is transitioning back to greatness. I'm considering rescheduling the G7 on the same or similar date in Washington at the legendary Camp David. Other members are also beginning their comeback. It would be a great sign to all.
Wow, you hear that? That's big news. They're gonna have the G Summit in Camp David.
Really?
Wow. He said, oh, is that what he just said? You were listening, weren't you?
I can hear it.
Citron out again on Inovio, says why the SEC has a robust reason to halt Inovio immediately.
Elias, what do you mean I can't? I can't what? Let's see if the Trump pump comes.
Considering.
Facebook 325 calls. Yeah, considering with the world leaders, he said that would be a great way to get the world back on. We're probably going to see another pop off that news. Give it a little bit of a delay to get into the news here. And you're probably going to see the markets take off again. There goes Visa. Our USO trade's up $200 today. You see every day it's going up $200, and we have till next year's expo. Now, do you see what I mean about adding to those damn positions when you have that retracement, a pull back down to support? That's when we're adding to those positions, when we get a pull back down to support, and then that confirmed bounce. Twitter trades back up 35%. What is 3M doing today? 3M still climbing. Wow. Love that 3M chart on a daily. If it wasn't for that Boeing trade, count would be new highs. Or if I held on to that Square trade, that first one.
We could talk about that all day. And leadership.
Oh yeah, I'm only one more day away from new highs, you know. What's one more day?
Are we still at or above 6K?
Yeah. Elias says, how do you add to USO? Well, you can't add to our trades, but you can certainly add to, let's say, the June 19th or the July 17th expo. I'd go with the July 17th, the 25 strike call. Look at how cheap that is. $251. So that means at $30 you have 100% return. Do you think that's going to get to $30 by July 17th? If you do, you'd pick up that 25 strike. You could even pick up the 27 strike. It's that cheap. You know, the 26, 27. I'm fully in support between the 25 and the 28 calls there. So feel free to pick any of those. The 25, 26, 27, 28 straight call, July 17th, that's what I'd be adding to if you wanted USO. If you want to go a little bit further, get the January 15th. Here you go, adjusted. Here's what they're going for. Pick up the 25, 26. 25 looks good if you wanted to go with the January 2021. But like I said, July 17th is fine. There goes Visa again, climbing off that 20 SMA. Let's see if she can break above this consolidation from right in between here. We're already up 7% on our Visa trade. Intel put sweeps coming in. They're saying I know should be a pump and dump. It's just all. What's I know at? Oh, Scott Harris is in I know.
And Lowe's.
Oh man, yeah. What's Lowe's doing? Lowe's had a big pop this morning. Big retracement. I hope he sold them. Scott Harris, did you sell those? Avilio, I still have the RCL June 19th. Down on those right now. But I certainly do still have them. RCL. Not doing too much after the earnings.
Coming up, crude and gasoline inventories.
Crude and gasoline inventories. I think I'm going to take the computer in back of me, the Lenovo, to the house today and do the afternoon Zoom from the house. I have to find, we have to find something though. I'd like to get some type of desk or something for the house.
Yes.
You know, something like this would be nice for the house, you know?
We'll take the measurement.
Man, my stomach today, it's just so nauseous. Hate
Crude
that
stocks
feeling.
a draw of 5 million barrels. Gasoline stocks a build of 2.8 million. This
Oh,
leads
wow.
a build of 3.8 million.
Charlie sounds bad.
Again, crude stocks a draw
Charlie,
of
how you
5
feel,
million versus a build of 1.51 million expected. Gasoline stocks a build of 2.8 million versus a draw of
So what is that
2.13
doing? That is
million
bringing down
expected.
USO a
This
little
leads
bit.
a build of 3.8 million
Initially.
versus a build of
Let's see.
1.429 million expected. Crude a little volatile here now, 33.33.
Facebook, 230 calls coming in on Facebook. She's continuing to break out. I got to jump into another trade on Facebook here. Facebook's been my beauty. Facebook really hasn't let me down. How about this? I remember when I bought $1.5 million worth of Facebook when it had its IPO. I was day trading it all the time.
Wow.
Man, I still have the pictures on Facebook. It comes up on my memories every now and then.
Really?
Dude, if I just held that, I would have made over $8 million. That really kills you. But, you know, I know myself, and I know I don't have patience to hold something for 6 years, you know? Okay, what was I just going to take a look at here? Visa, drop in there. Twitter. Bank of America. LVS. Oh, that Moderna's kicking me in the nuts right now. Down about 440 on Moderna. That Twitter trade's doing so well, up $2,000 on Twitter. You know, how do you become a sir or a knight? I feel like I should be one.
That's for Jimmy. Or Pete. You're already one.
Yeah, but I mean like a knight. Like the Queen just made that guy a knight for the fundraising efforts. It's like, yeah, he did nice, but where's my knight status, you know?
I'll have Pete reach out.
Yeah, let's get that done. Oh, wow. Look at Bank of America go. Bank of America is back in the green. There goes Bank of America.
Competitors had unusually close ties to Beijing before the coronavirus pandemic, and that is deeply troubling.
Look at Twitter, too, here. Wow, we made some really great trades today. Twitter looks like that's going to run again. Who is that stock group for? What stock group are they talking about? I don't want you to give them that. They might be a spy. Hoff, I wouldn't mind the Lord status. You know how they say over in the UK, like Lord, whoever?
Yeah.
I think that would suit me pretty well.
Lord.
RMBL halted again on a circuit breaker. Rumble on halted again.
Davidians.
RMBL.
Knighthoods are expensive.
Shares of Rumble on now 1073 hit a high of 1482.
Yeah, Elias, but you got to look, though. Bank of America is up 3.5%. So, you know, it's at the resistance for the day there. It's been consolidating, trading between the no trade zone. Resistance right at around 22.98, 22.99. So just keep that on mind and watch that. USO's pulling back there from that news. She's at 26 cents a contract now. Remember, we only paid 97 cents for it.
Hong Kong activists make it more difficult for the U.S. to assess that Hong Kong remains highly autonomous.
Look at that pop there on Bank of America, Visa, Twitter. There she goes, Elias. She's getting up to resistance on Bank of America. We're in the green on Bank of America. Once I get a profit on that, I want to get the hell out of it. You know, like Bank of America, it's still a great setup on a 3-month daily chart here. But here's the problem with Bank of America. You look at a 3-month daily chart here, right? You look at that 3-month daily and you're saying, okay, it looks great. But here's the thing. You know, she could have a nice move to 23.50, all the way up to 24, maybe even $25. But it's going to take some time. This is going to take like 2 weeks. So it's like, you know, do I have the patience to wait in that for 2 weeks? You know? I mean, I definitely think that's going to continue to climb off those lows there. But, you know, do I want to hold that much? Where Facebook, for example, I see that getting up to 235, 240 really quick. And that's something I can make a short-term swing trade for 2 or 3 days and have that same return as I would with Bank of America holding it for 2 or 3 weeks. So you have to mentally think about that. You know, when you're thinking about your trade setups, you got to think, okay, Bank of America, you know, if I want 100%er on that one, I'm probably looking for about 3 weeks out till Expo for Bank of America. Whereas Facebook, I can make an easy 100%er by going out with next week's Expo and collecting those profits along the way there. You know, so it's like, okay, do I want a short-term swing trade within 2-3 days? Or do I want a swing trade on something a little less volatile like Bank of America that goes out for a month or a couple of weeks out, you know?
Yeah.
And as a trader, you got to always be thinking about that. You know, think, okay, what's today? Tuesday, Wednesday? What's today? Tuesday, right?
Today's Wednesday.
Today's Wednesday?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Positive.
So today's Wednesday. Wow, these days are going by so quick.
UAL, United Airlines.
So it's Wednesday right now, so I'd say, okay, I'll get next week's Expo, May 29th on Facebook, you know? People are going to be advertising for the holidays. Think about all the little businesses, little mom and pop stores. You know, you got all these gatherings around now with the hotels. Now these smaller businesses, they want to start marketing to those clients that are overbooked at the hotels. So these little mom and pop businesses now, they're going to start advertising on social media,
Yep.
you know, and these big funds, they pay Facebook for this data, you know, so they could get this data and say, okay, ads are picking up a little bit, you know, economy's starting to come back, shopping is picking up a little bit. You know, that's why I think it's important to go to Disney Springs today. I want to see what it's like there. You know, are people afraid? Are they worried? Because if we go to Disney Springs, there's no one there, I'd get the hell out of my Disney calls, you know.
Yeah.
But if we go there and we see,
Oh,
hey,
I'm
fear's
sure
over.
We're gonna see a lot.
Oh, I'm sure too, yeah.
We're seeing a lot of people and going into stores and gas stations.
Yeah.
And things like that, I'm starting to see people without masks.
Oh, I
guess
never
they're
wear a
just-
mask.
They're going back to.
I haven't worn a mask throughout this whole thing, I don't think,
I
really.
think we should take the precautionary measures. Just in case even somebody sneezes on the way and you don't even see it and you're just walking right into
Yeah.
it. You know, those are the small things. And
Yeah, but you
mask-
never wear your mask either.
I wear my mask.
I never see you wearing your
Oh, yeah.
mask. Never.
I mean, we're together.
Yeah, I never see you wearing it when we're
we go to
together.
the store? When was the last time we went to the store?
I don't know, did you wear it last night?
Oh yeah.
When you went to 7-Eleven?
Nice breaking chocolate.
Really? You did?
Oh, yeah.
You wore it?
It's pretty close.
Oh, speaking of which, I gotta do that today. I got a couple people messaging me saying, Dave, where's my mask? Where's my...
They're on their way
Yeah? The masks? Who'd you send it to?
to whoever I asked in our mailbox.
You did? Evan?
Not Evan. Sorry, Evan. And Davey.
Mia?
Anyone that got sent to the Facebook.
Chris Velez
I think he messaged us.
from New York?
I think he messaged us.
Guys, if you want a shirt or something, message us on our Facebook business page. I could get you some shirts or something like that sent out. It's nice sitting here watching the chart saying, wow, I'm up $7,000 today. That's a nice feeling, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Especially after we've been... All these videos are recorded. What they should be doing is going over the videos and seeing where I said, guys, this is where we should be adding. We're getting a successful bounce here. You know? Now they see. And that's most important. If they don't have patience or discipline, that's why we say that so much. Patience, discipline. Because you see how many people we got in that Bank of America trade. The next day it was down. It was for what? The June or July Expo? The next day it was down a little bit. And they're, you know, what's going on? I said, guys, there's a reason why we get certain expiration dates. If we're getting a short-term expiration date, that means we see a big move coming in a short period of time we want to take advantage of. If we get a longer-term expo, that's something we feel is a little bit more choppy. It's going to take a little bit longer to get our targets, to reach our targets. You know, that's why we go with that longer-term expo. You know, but when we're in breakout momentum and we see a nice stock breaking out, USO is climbing nicely now on a today 1 minute chart. But when you get that breakout, you got to take advantage of it. You can't be sitting there twiddling your thumbs. A lot of people say, oh, I'm down 10 grand. You know, what do I do? Well, you got to follow the trade plan, you know. Add when you're supposed to. There goes USO climbing. See what Visa, Bank of America are doing. Visa's climbing again. Almost new highs here. Almost not bad. She's going to go for new highs on Visa, I'm telling you. She's having a nice breakout. Already up $500 on Visa, up 9% on our Visa calls. What did Elias say about how about things that say follow the plan? You got your t-shirt on today?
Yep.
You should take a picture. Let me take a picture of that for hold on.
Follow the plan.
Nice. Let's see. I'll share that to them. Elias, I'm going to share you something in the trade room. There you go, Elias. There's what it says. Follow the plan to profit. Look
Okay,
at
I was
Visa.
happy.
No, you don't look. You look tired. I must not be working you hard enough.
Oh man, that is not how I'm feeling.
Wow, did you see Twitter?
No.
Our Twitter trade's up
What's up?
50%.
50%.
50.
Last time was at 43.
Yep.
Wow.
50% gain on Twitter.
Wow.
Oh wait, that's for today. I got to set up these columns. Still up about 30% on Twitter overall. 50% today. I want to see Visa take out the highs today. Here comes Twitter. Looks like it wants to come around here and break out again. USO. I'm watching Qualcomm. What is Qualcomm doing in Square? Oh, Qualcomm. Ooh, Square's having another breakout here. Here goes Square again. $10.20 cross on Square. Dow's up over 400. Nice day. And we sent out the alerts of all the trades. Let me see, just so you guys know all the trades we closed here. Order status. Here's all the trades we closed today. So take a look. They're in the book here. They're locked up. You see that?
Yes.
You see them all there? One.
Wow.
We closed out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All those 7 of them were sent out. You're shaking your head now.
Count Nexus.
Nice. Square, Visa, Qualcomm, Facebook, Square. What's SPZ?
Spy.
Oh, bad handwriting. HLT. Nice. Nicely done. 7. Looks good, brother. There goes Twitter again. Look at that run on Twitter. Look at Twitter, guys. Breaking above the 10, 20, 50 SMA there. There we go. We're looking ready for another big breakout here in the markets. Let's see if we could get another big climb up 1,000 points today. There goes Twitter. There goes Square. There goes the markets. Climbing again. Oh, our Bank of America trades in the green, looking good. What else is climbing here? What trade's this? Disney. Ooh, our Disney trade's on the climb here as well. Nice breakout on Disney. There goes Disney. See that breakout momentum continue there.
Victor November Delta Alpha.
Tyler C says his closet consists of 90% drift polos.
Dry fit. Dry fit.
Drift polos?
Dry fit.
Oh, dry fit.
What you wearing?
Drift. Dry fit. I just looked at it quick. It says drift.
I saw that. And I did the same thing too.
I knew what it was though.
Yeah.
8% now.
You're
on
wearing
that
that.
press release.
I'm wearing my dry fit polo there, Tyler C. I should take a picture too and give a mean look. Like you.
Yeah. Please.
Bank of America.
There we go.
Disney's running. Guys, the market's on the climb. Here we go. USO's breaking above that 50 SMA. 23.45. 23.35. I'm sorry. Continuing to climb off those lows of 25.10. Square's coming down to that 10 right now. Twitter's breaking out. Let's see Twitter break above 31.50 for that next climb. Our Bank of America trade still climbing up 2% overall on Bank of America after being down about 40% on it. That's nice to see that back in the green. Disney is continuing to take off there. Take a look at Disney. Today, 1 minute chart. Disney's having a nice breakout. There goes Disney. 1020 cross. First candles above the SMAs. There goes Disney up 2.37%. Continuing to run. We're going to have resistance right around 117.50 on Disney. So take a look. Here's going to be the resistance on Disney. 117.50. I think we could easily have another climb up there. Square's pulling back down to the 20 here. The MACD's looking good on Disney for a ripe climb here. Some put sweeps coming in on Qualcomm. Clorox call sweeps coming in 205. Let's see what Clorox is doing. I haven't looked at that in a while. Clorox 3-month daily. Wow, what a beautiful chart.
MCD McDonald's at the high, 183.02.
McDonald's didn't we do a trade on McDonald's yesterday or the day before?
No,
Elias got it.
Friday and really.
McDonald's is going to 190 here. We should do a trade idea on McDonald's immediately.
Let's do it. I think Elias went up to 100%. Elias, what did you make?
Elias, you made 100% gain on that McDonald's trade, huh?
On a circuit breaker,
Did he?
$1.72 PHUN.
Nice. Visa, USO, Twitter,
Let's see.
3M, LVS, Groupon, Disney, Bank of America. Bank of America.
There you go, Chevin.
What's that?
You know your Bank of America song.
Oh. Elias says 100% gain in 2 hours is a trade idea.
No, he wants a trade idea.
You want a trade idea, or you did one?
Investment Corporation files for up to $1.5 billion mixed shelf. That's AINV.
Oh, McDonald's looks phenomenal here. I got to jump into a McDonald's trade. I shouldn't be doing that. There's nothing about me that should be associated with McDonald's. All right, May 29th. Let's see here. The 185. 185 for $2. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 189. Yeah, I like that. May 29th. 185. Let me look at the delta. Look at the interest there. All right, I'm going to jump in 2.05. I'm going to jump in 10 contracts.
2.05?
Yepper.
So this is not a trade idea. It is an official trade.
She didn't execute. Oh, wait, she did just execute. Yep. Oh, it only filled one contract.
She's running?
Yep, she's running. I got in at 2.03. I got in.
185 strike call, May 29th.
Okay, McDonald's in filled me 11 contracts. Average price is $213.
213.
That's the average price.
Okay. Target.
What did I just say? 190.
190.
That should be an easy target. If we get up to 190, that's going to be a 100% gain, and we should easily see that. Easily see that.
Stop.
Our stop is going to be 180. And guys, when I tell you the stop and the targets, follow it. Don't wait for me. Don't listen to me. Follow that.
You had that.
I'm giving you a per trade plan.
That E-Trade.
Yeah, I got to go over that because I looked into that. I don't think that's working too well. No. McDonald's trade already up 6%. I'm already up $200 on that McDonald's trade. Already 200 smackers. Geoffrey Ganandandi says, which broker can I trade stock with? Any broker that sells stocks. I would use E-Trade, TD Ameritrade. Those are the top two. E-Trade, TD Ameritrade. I'd reorder that. TD Ameritrade and then E-Trade. Wow, Bank of America continuing to run there. McDonald's trade. Already up $200 on McDonald's.
Already?
Yep. It's up 7%.
High of the day, 183.
Yeah. Was that email, sent, text, app?
Not email.
Huh?
Slower.
Oh, yeah, not email, but text and app.
Yes.
They were sent. Let me look at my text. I didn't get anything. I don't see anything in the Team BCA.
Oh, I just sent it to Pete.
Huh?
I just sent it to Pete.
Oh, you do it there?
Yeah.
Perfect. Oh, Moderna calls are back in the green. I was down quite a bit. I was down $500 on that Moderna call. Let's see what the hell are they doing now. Look at McDonald's. Still ripping higher on McDonald's. We may see McDonald's at 185 by the end of today. Wow. What a nice day. Let's see here. What was I just going to look at? Wow, look at Twitter too. TWTR. Twitter climbing off that 10 right now. What else did I want to look at? Moderna, mRNA. Wow, Moderna, 71.50 she just got up to. She's going to have a big rip higher here. She broke that resistance. There's no doubt I think Moderna is going to get up to that 73 area today. There she goes again. Wow, McDonald's. I'm up $300 on McDonald's. How long ago did we make that trade?
Like 2 minutes ago.
Ragu just joined. He said, hi, everyone. Had to step out this morning, but ready for action.
BCRX, BioCris shares popping here. Bravo Charlie Romeo X-Ray BCRX. BioCris shares up about 4% now at the high, BCRX. CWK, Cushman & Wakefield, the range is $210 million.
Look at Moderna going here, guys. Take a look at Moderna.
Charlie Whiskey Kilo, CWK.
Wow, look at McDonald's. $400 profit on McDonald's. I think that should That should be good for my, I just paid for my McDonald's for the month. Nah, that's probably about a week worth. 400. Look at McDonald's still ripping higher there. Moderna too is looking great. Moderna's ready for a nice run. There goes McDonald's. Love it. There goes Moderna. Wow, $500 gain on Moderna already. LVS is continuing to run. Look at that run on Moderna. Wow, $72 almost. Look at Moderna go. Yes. Wow, look at that run on Moderna. 10% gains on 12% gains on Moderna. 14% gains on Moderna. Oh my god, 17% gain on Moderna.
Doing a ripping, huh?
Yeah. Nice run. Now here's the thing. Take a look now, guys, at the Moderna 3-month daily and tell me, how does this look, E? Right there. What does that candle look like today, guys? Tell me for Moderna there. We're now up 20% on Moderna. Tell me how that Moderna chart looks on the 3-month daily with the SMAs per trade plan. What would that be there, that signal?
Yeah, bounce off.
That's a bounce off that 10, and that's a successful entry there, right?
Yep.
Up $300 on our Moderna trade right now. We got in when that was still red for the day. Nice run there on Moderna.
Now, Moderna wasn't official. That was just a trade idea. That one that you got on was your personal one.
Yeah, they watch me here on YouTube as a freebie for them. Matt Pollock says, what did your trigger your MCD trade from? Let's see here. Oh, look at Moderna still running. Look at Moderna, $72. I'm up 20% on Moderna right now. McDonald's is up 12%. These are nice little quick gains. And there's $1,000 in little gains right there. I want to see Moderna get to 72.25. MCD. Someone asked about that. It had the MACD cross. First candle above 1020, 50 SMA. Easy target on McDonald's, a 190. She's at 183 now, 7-point climb. 7-point, multiply that by the delta minus theta, and that's going to show you our gain on there. We got a lot of potential on that, so that's why we entered McDonald's. Breakout momentum. There goes Moderna, 72.36. Big breakout on Moderna. I'm up $600 on the Moderna trade. 25% gain on Moderna right now. Wow. What a run on Moderna. She's continuing to break out here, guys. Moderna, I think she's going to see that 73 really quick today. 73's target on Moderna. She's running, she's breaking.
Shares of VBI vaccines now at 288, up 15% now. Victor Bravo India Victor posting a slide presentation.
Look at that breakout of Moderna. She's still running higher now. We got in at 330. She's at 440 now. What a nice run there on Moderna. Look at McDonald's still going too. Wow. What a day. What's Visa doing here? Oh, Visa wants to head higher. We need to break that high right there of 193.85 for that next run on Visa. Alrighty, guys, it's after 11. I'm going to get off of here. I'm going to take the Lenovo back to the house here, get there for the day, and I will see you guys in the afternoon trading session, guys. Great job today. Locked in some really nice profits. There goes Visa taking off again. Visa's on the run, 193.75, continuing that breakout. Watch her get up to 193.85. There she goes, 193.80. 193.81. Visa trades up $600. $193.82. There she goes, 193.84. This is going to be resistance for Visa if she could break that 193.84. $10% gain on Visa, 20% gain on Moderna, 10% gain on McDonald's, 30% gain on Twitter. Looking good here. There goes Visa, 193.92, broke resistance. She's going for 194, 193.92. Nice breakout. Look at McDonald's bouncing off that 10. There goes Visa, new highs. Wow, look at that climb there, guys. I'm up $700 now, $800 now on Visa. We're now up 12% on Visa. Massive profits here. I think Visa is going to continue to run. Look at Visa, 3-month daily. There's no question in my mind Visa wants to hit 200, and she's going to hit 200. We have the Visa June 19th 195 call. I'm going to be holding on to that. I got about $7,000 into that trade. I think this is going to have a nice run up to that $200 and probably make me about a $5,000 net profit. So I love that setup on Visa. She's still climbing and looking good there. Alrighty, guys, I will see you guys in the afternoon trade session. Great job today, guys, and I will see you. If you guys need anything in the trade room, let me know. Great job, guys. God bless. Have a great day, and I'll see you later. Bye-bye.